multiple counts of charges that are used for aggressive force, right? Correct?
Yes, and of course the last one is Xavier Monroe.
And hold on, Osvaldo
Wait,
Premio.
hang on a minute. What?
Huh?
What do you mean
approach quickly?
I believe your statement is in the report regarding Bobby Charles.
But well, we're talking about Brick, Osvaldo, and Jonathan Acker. That's the people that you mentioned.
Hang on. Wait. A request was asked to approach. You guys can come on up. Slash, can you please go to the corner real quick?
Your Honor, that was, I want to be clear because I thought we were under the impression that my statement would not be brought up in court. I mean, I understand it's in the report and you can consider that and everything else. But the statement itself, for me, I believe we had stipulated with prosecution prior to that it would not be brought up. I understand the witness is bringing it up, but I would just ask that be stricken because I was put in a position where I had to represent the defense as a public defender.
I mean, Your Honor, I did tell Monroe that I wouldn't be bringing it up in his case. And these cases were severed, and I haven't. This was elicited by them on their cross-examination.
The previous answer was Brick, not my name, and now my name was brought up. That's the difference that I'm asking to be stricken.
It should have been redacted, but yeah.
I mean, redacted or not, his statement and name would have still come up in court.
Right. True.
Fair.
But yeah, it's still going back to what they.
Yeah, I just don't know how we're supposed to deal with it because as an attorney,
Xavier,
I'm essentially
are you actively defending somebody that you made a statement against their actions?
Because I was informed I had to, Your Honor.
Did you have to be co-counsel today?
No, that was Your Honor's decision. But I had to be counsel yesterday. It was the only attorney he had.
Did you make an attempt to find him a new attorney?
Yeah, we did actually, and I did as well, and I have text messages.
Ramee,
So
I appreciate it.
No, I'm not even
Monroe.
lying. Okay, go ahead.
I know. I want Monroe's answer. Did you try to find another attorney for Timo?
No. What happened on the day of? Almost everybody who was available and present and able to help were witnesses, essentially. And so even though I was a witness and had made a statement, I was asked to defend. I made Lance Malton aware of this, the head of bar, prior to my assignment as the public defender. At the time when I made the statement, I was only a legal aid, an attorney.
Give me a minute.
Yo, we're fucking. No, we're not RIP. This is amazing. Not a mistrial. Okay, I'll explain to you why, because you guys can't see. Due
to the severe lack of resources and attorneys, I am not going to mistrial the Timo case. But Xavier, you are to recuse yourself from this case right now.
All right, yes, Your Honor.
Ramee, you're on your own.
That's fine. But can we strike Xavier's statement from the questioning? That was the whole reason for the sidebar.
We will not be striking it from the report, if that's what you're asking.
So I just lost the lawyer for nothing.
He shouldn't have been here in the first place. He literally says he watched Bobby Charles threaten somebody with a gun. In the report.
It's not the statement that I made.
You literally say that Bobby Charles.
Why the fuck did Xavier say this then? You should just shut the fuck up and sit and study here.
Xavier, recuse yourself from the case.
No problem. I formally recuse myself.
Your Timo one is fine.
All right.
Bro, why'd you just throw me like that?
No, it's not gonna have any effect. It's fine. I'll take everything accordingly, same as I always have. Ramee,
bro, you called up a fucking sidebar and got yourself thrown out the fucking case. Good one, Xavier. Classic.
Well, that's okay.
It's either that or he loses his bar license. Pick one.
None of this would have been an issue if he never called himself up to you.
It would have, because I immediately said, "Wait, what?" As soon as I heard Xavier's name come up. This would have come up regardless. Ramee, I wouldn't worry about it. You've been doing fine up to this point. When it comes to the answer that was given in terms of bringing up Xavier, I'll strike the answer. We are keeping it strictly to the 3 that he already brought up, and then I already know Xavier's shit is in there because I had to read it to see how involved he was with this whole thing. And then we'll go from there. So, just last question that was asked was, what about Osvaldo's profile? He said 1 felony. That's where we're taking off from, okay?
All right. Thank you,
Actually, I have one more matter, Your Honor.
Xavier, you literally just.
God! I just wanted to say
Are you fucked?
that,
It's not-
I had
That's
the
not what I can
mojo.
do.
I had the. Why'd you
still
even
got
say
this.
anything, bro?
still got
Why
it.
did you
He's
say
gonna
something in the
call us
first
up
place?
anyways.
Bro, because I had a mojo of him proving that everybody that gave his statement is a fucking known criminal felon for the
You
exact
can't
charges
use
that
my
they.
name. You just heard that.
Bro, it
Bobby,
doesn't
if you
matter,
could break
bro.
your
You
back
shouldn't
quieter,
have
that'd be
fucking
great.
said
Ramee,
anything.
Come here, we still got another thing we got to go over.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Just getting
It's fine though.
All right, Your Honor. I just wanted to provide you notice that since they've already attempted to attack Mr. Acker's credibility, I fully intend on attempting to bolster his credibility in direct of his testimony when we call him up to the stand, and I'm going to be using the fact that he was previously threatened not to testify,
What?
to again show a
When-
consistency for truthfulness.
When
even
the
under
hell
threat
was he
of
not
torture.
asked in court to not testify?